Today, let's focus on taking really good SeeSaw photos. First, make sure today you have a great place to work. You might find that when you flip over your Chromebook to take your picture at your table, it's really hard to see. I think a better place would be somewhere lower. You could try taking a picture on your stool. That way you can see a little bit better what's happening on your screen. Or another really great option is if you want to take a picture on the floor. If you choose to take a picture on the floor, you can guarantee that you can see the whole piece of art and have a fabulous photo. Remember when you go onto SeeSaw today to make sure you start by switching into the Specials class on the left-hand side. Once you get into the Specials class, click the Activities button and go to Add Response. I'm going to post as a sample student. Go ahead and select Photo and then take your picture. You can click the top corner to flip to your keyboard camera. Now be careful with lighting. Sometimes when you're in the art room, there are dark spaces. Right now, this space is kind of dark. I'm also going to attempt to turn my picture so it matches the type of photo I'm taking. I don't want a lot of extra space when I'm taking my photo. I'm going to switch to a different area where I think the lighting is better. The rainbow rug is a great place to take your photo. But I'm going to turn my camera so that it matches the same direction. Make sure you're nice and straight, the edges are nice and even, and then once you get that photo taken, you can always rotate it by using the hand tool. Then I'm going to go ahead and type my caption. Make sure today your caption is 4 sentences long, and the first sentence should always describe your art. So mine says, "This is my self-portrait." I then go on to explain the materials I used, markers and Sharpies, what I'm proud of, my background, and finally I'm going to make sure that I think about what are some things that were hard for me, like my nose, and what's something I learned about. If you choose to say you learned about drag racing, remember, Mom and Dad might not know what drag racing is. They probably think it's a car race. Make sure you say you learned how to use a marker to do the drag racing technique. That would be much more helpful for them. Then you're going to hit that green check, and you are good to go. Make sure you have a quality picture today so Mom and Dad can see your awesome hard work. Have fun!